Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Hello everyone, it's me Ashish Chauhan from ashvircreations. Welcome back to another episode of Photoshop. Well, in this video I'm gonna give you free Moody green preset for camera or filter for the Photoshop. So all you have to do is just download this rare file from the link given in the description. Now right click on it and select extract here. Extract that file and just select this preset of Moody matte green. Now how to install it I will tell you. So just copy it and just go to the C drive, then go to the program you will go to the user, then go to the ashvircreations. I mean, this would be the name of your computer, your username computer. So just go to your username. That is, here my name is ashvircreations, so I'll go to the ashvircreations and go to the app data folder. If it is not showing this folder, if it is not showing in your computer, then just go to the organize, go to the folder and search option, go to the view tab, then just click on this show hidden files and folder. So it will just show the hidden folder if it is hidden. Now just open that folder, then go to the roaming, then we'll go to the Adobe, then just select the camera row, then go to the settings and just right click on it and select paste that Moody matte green preset here. Now refresh it and open the Photoshop. Now we'll see the effect of the photograph, how Moody matte effect is look like. So we'll just open one of the photograph. Let's take this photograph. Now just duplicate it and we'll go to the filter, then select camera raw filter, then we'll go to the preset tab. Here you can see under the user preset there will be our Moody matte green. Here is a Moody matte green preset which we have just now installed. Click on it and press OK. Here you can see the before and after. A huge difference can be seen here. A very moody look can be seen here in the photograph. Let's take one more example. Let's open this photograph. Now just go to the filter and directly select the camera filter, because we have already selected that recent preset, so it will automatically take the recent preset which we have used before. Just select this and here you can see the very Moody matte green effect on the photograph. Here is a before and after. It really looks very stunning. Matte effect can be seen on the photograph. So, well, if you enjoyed the video, give me a big thumbs up. Just like the video and share it with all your friends. And if you haven't subscribed, then just subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I post the video. Generally I post the videos every day. So, and don't forget to log on to our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com, where you can find new backgrounds and presets like this. I'll be soon uploading all kind of 3D LUTs and color lookup files or my website, so don't forget to check it out. And thank you for watching. Till then, bye bye.